You ready?
This is all the way full, but so you have to be careful because it's like all the way up to the top.
Okay, I'll be careful. You ready to get your hair done?
Yeah.
Okay, so first let's wet your hair. Now I'm going to brush your hair.
I got wet.
So usually I come around the front to see where her nose is, and then I kind of go from there to do her part.
Who are you watching? Who are you talking to?
The camera, silly. Let me see. Look at me.
Camera's not alive.
I know, but we're recording so that we can show other people how to do space buns on their little girls. Look up, mommy. And then since I'm doing it on somebody else, I don't feel the need to grab this area, so I'll just kind of leave it loose like that. And I'll start doing her side ponytail over here. Baby.
I might fall asleep in the car.
That's okay. I'll wake you up when we get to the store so we can go shopping for some decor, okay?
Yeah, but no.
And then, yeah. And then we can go eat.
Yeah. And what are we gonna pick, Mom?
Babe, my camera just died.
I see you from this camera.
Right.
Basement hurt. Seems like it. You made these.
I did make them, silly.
Mama, can I keep that curl right there? I'm really looking good.
I'll keep this curl out here, okay?
And curl it, please.
I'm curling it, silly.
Thank you.
Cute. And then, or you could do this.
Yes.
Space bun. But I'm gonna leave it unwrapped.
Yeah. Guess what? This little mouse, guess what he did? When Tom and Jerry, he was playing piano, they were stuck on it, and then it was super funny. The mouse was behind it, and you could sing, and they kept on going and going and going, because there's this piano thing behind it.
Really?
Yeah. And he said, hey.
Okay, look at the camera and smile. Look at the camera and smile. Ooh, girl. Or we could wrap it. Show them. Tilt your head down. Ooh. Or we could leave it down. I like it down.
Yeah. So let's leave it down.
So cute.
Thanks for watching. Oh, da da da.